Acne is something that happens to everyone at least once in their life, but generally acne is most likely to occur in young teenagers from between the ages of 12 to 17, and, for some people it can be both painful and embarrassingly unsightly, so that is why it is so important to find out which of the acne solutions is the most effective for each individual, because not everything works for everyone, and it can be a case of simply trial and error. For some people, acne is just an inconvenience where a few spots can occur, usually on the facial area. But in more extreme cases, acne can become very distressing, covering the face, back, chest and shoulder areas, and in some cases can even leave scarring. Nowadays there are so many acne solutions available over the counter, and if it is not a very bad case of acne, then a simple lotion or cream can suffice. But in extreme cases it may be that your doctor will give you one of the many prescription acne solutions, one that is not available to buy over the counter, but may be that little bit stronger. So why does acne occur? The reason acne occurs is that we all have glands in our skin that secrete an oily substance to the surface of our skin, and if they become overactive and produce too much of the oil substance, then this will result in the pores in our skin becoming blocked, and that is when we have the blackheads and spots form. The reasons for the oversecretion of the glands can vary from person to person. For instance, in young adolescents the main cause can be hormone levels that are produced during puberty, which can be hard to treat with acne solutions, but normally if the right treatment is found then it can at least be controlled to a degree. What are the best acne solutions? There are many solutions in the prevention and cure of acne, and it really is a matter of finding out just which one will suit a person the best, but it is always best to keep in mind the fact that acne will never disappear overnight, no matter what solution you use, and if any treatment states that it clears up acne fast, then keep away from it, because for any treatment to work the user must be applying that treatment for around 6 to 8 weeks before you start to see any great improvement in your acne. It also does not always go hand in hand that the most expensive solutions are the best. You may find a simple and inexpensive treatment will help your acne so much more than an expensive one. There are a few facts that if you are careful and follow, then you can at least reduce the effect that acne will have on your skin. For instance, the more you touch your spots and the redness around them, the more irritation you will cause, which can lead to even more spots forming, so the more your skin is left untouched the better. It is, however, necessary to touch your skin when applying treatments, but again, if they do not come with an applicator, then it is imperative that you thoroughly wash your hands before applying anything to your acne. When preparing the affected area, you must gently, and it is important to emphasize the word gently, wash the affected area with a very mild cleanser, one that has no perfumes in, but a simple cleanser suitable for sensitive skin. Some ordinary soaps can be a bit too strong. Always keep in mind that dirt does not cause acne, so there really is no point in cleaning the skin too often, as this can cause more oil to be produced from the glands, which in turn causes more acne, so it is always best to cleanse normally only once or twice a day. A very effective treatment is a 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, which helps dry the skin of the oil because it oxygenates the skin, and, as it is a well-known fact that acne bacteria cannot live in oxygenated environments. It is important, however, that when using benzoyl peroxide, that you apply a good moisturizer, as your skin can become over dry and look flaky. Also remember to never rub your skin hard. When cleaning it, gently splash it with water and glide your hands over when applying the cleanser. Gently splash to rinse and then always pat dry very gently, again making sure you do not rub the skin. Above all, be patient when treating your acne. It certainly is not going to disappear overnight, but with good management you can reduce the severity of the acne. The most important rule is do not pick at the spots. It is always very tempting to touch or squeeze the big spots and blackheads, but this can and will cause scarring, and scarring will not clear up. It is there permanent and can be very unsightly, so avoid the chance of scarring at all times. Always remember the rule, leave the spots alone. So it is important to remember that you yourself can help reduce the symptoms of acne and can prevent scarring by just following the simple rules. However, if you are suffering very badly from acne, it is really important that you make an appointment to see your doctor. No doctor will think acne too trivial. For boys and men it may be embarrassing, but your doctor is there to help you. If necessary, he may refer you to a skin specialist who can work closely with yourself in finding the best acne solutions that are the most effective to you. There is help out there, and it is important that you ask for that help. Don't suffer alone. You are one of many, and acne need not take over your life completely. Instead, you can learn to have control over your acne.